Greetings and welcome to my Excel event presentation on data validation. My name is Jess Carpenter. This project is an assignment for Granite State College, Dr. T, Data 510, Spring 2023. To start data validation, select the Data tab. First, select a set of cells that you want to validate. In the Data Tools section, select Data Validation. Here, the Data Validation dialog box will open. In this example, validation is created for the year to restrict entry to a number between 0 and 2050. A validation date is created to restrict the date to the specific date type. The date will need to be prior to 1/1/2050. A validation for age is created using the custom formula option. A validation is created to limit the sex and fatal columns. Lists are created in a separate tab. In this example, the source is identified by naming and referencing a newly created list. Add an input message by opening the Data Validation dialog box and selecting the Input Message tab. Give it a title and a message. Check the box to show the input message when the cell is selected. Add an error alert by opening the Data Validation dialog box and selecting the Error Alert tab. Check the box to show the error alert after invalid data is entered. Set the significant style and give it a title and an error message. In column J, the value must match the list item. Hover over the warning to select Display Type Information. This error is fixed using the drop-down menu that was created on another sheet. One powerful tool for validating data is the Power Query. This tool can be used to validate data when importing from an external source. I hope you have found these tips useful. To recap, you can validate your data by accessing the Data Validation dialog box. Enter preset validation criteria, or use custom formula or custom lists. Add input messages and error alerts. Validate on import using Power Query.